Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss what is the plan visibility and how you can use it. So basically, you have to log into your BotPenguin account, and once you are logged in, you simply have to go to your customer plan section. In this section, you get this visibility option. So what exactly this means? This means that these plans that you have created, all these plans will be visible to all the customers. Okay, so let's say you want to hide a particular plan from some customers, so you can use this option. So how to use it, I will explain you in this. So simply, let's say I want to restrict this plan, new plan from the customers. So I will simply click on this option and it will give me an option to restrict. I will click on restrict, and here it is telling me currently plan is visible to all customer. Click restrict to show plans to specific users only. So what I have to do, I have to provide an email address of the customer to whom I want to show this plan. So let's say I will type an email one. Okay. Once I'm done typing the email, I have to press enter. Once I will press the enter, the email will come down. And if I want to add one more email, I can type any email and again I have to press enter. The second email will come. So similarly, you can add the number of customers to whom you want to show this plan. Okay, once you are done adding this email, you simply have to click on restrict. Once you click on restrict, plan visibility has been updated successfully. So once the customer will log in on their account, only these two customers will be able to see this plan. All the remaining customer will not be able to see this plan. So this is how the plan visibility works. I hope I'm able to understand. If you have any query, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your query. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin.